Yes. Our next topic is economic activities by men and women. Now, what we revised today, you will have to read it, page number 19, left hand column, last paragraph. Page number 19, left hand column, okay, last paragraph, that we have learned just now. The example of Japan that I gave you, you can get it from your book, page number 19, left hand column, last paragraph. Okay, now come to right hand column. The topic is economic activities by men and women. Now, what are economic activities? What are economic activities? Okay, the activities the activities which produce goods and services to satisfy people's wants, the activities which produce goods and services to satisfy different wants, to satisfy people's different wants, are called economic activities. Let me write the definition here. Okay, the activities which produce different goods and services to satisfy, that is to meet, to satisfy people's wants, to satisfy people's wants, are called economic activities. Okay, all right. Let me, yes. Now you see, just you will have to learn the definition. The activities which produce different goods and services. Now, production is the must. Here, production is a must. Okay, economic activities for economic production must. What kind of production? Goods and services. Okay, goods and services. Now, these goods and services meet people's different wants. These kinds of goods and services, this production of these kinds of goods and services satisfy or meet people's wants. That is why they are called economic activities. Am I clear? You will have to learn that definition first. Okay? Now, economic activities are of three types. Okay? Economic activities can be classified into three sectors. Okay? Economic activities can be classified into three sectors. Okay? Economic activities can be classified into three sectors. Alright? Into three sectors. Economic activities can be classified into three sectors. What are the sectors? First, primary sector. Second, secondary. Third, tertiary. Okay. Now, so economic activities can be classified into three sectors. These are the sectors. Primary sector. Okay, secondary sector and tertiary sector. These are the three classification, or these are the three sectors of economic activities. Now let me give you the definition of these three. Okay, first one is primary sector. Okay, listen to me. When we produce a good mainly by using natural resources, we call it an activity of the primary sector. Let me write it. Okay. Now, when we produce a good mainly by using natural resources. We call it an activity of under the primary sector. So you see, when we produce a good, production is must, you see, and production of goods. When we produce a good, mainly by using natural resources. This is the factor of primary sector. Okay? Mainly by using natural resources, it is an activity of the primary sector. Alright, let me give you example. Now production of paddy. Production of paddy or wheat, okay, paddy or wheat or cotton or whatever may be, okay. Now you see that here we produce this good, that is paddy or wheat, mainly by using natural resource, that is land, water, okay, all these are natural resources, mainly by using this, and good atmosphere, favorable weather, all these are required there. So production of paddy, wheat or any crop comes under primary sector. Understand? Okay, let me come to secondary. Secondary sector. Number two, secondary sector. Okay. What do you mean by secondary sector? Secondary sector covers activities by which natural products are changed into other forms through ways of manufacturing that we associate with industry. Let me repeat. Secondary sector covers activities by which natural products are changed. Into other forms. Okay, how? Through ways of manufacturing, and we call it, which is associated with industry. Let me write the definition. Secondary sector covers activities. Secondary sector covers activities by which natural products are changed into other forms. Through ways of manufacturing. That we associate with industry. Okay. Okay. So you see the definition. Secondary sector covers activities by which, this is the factor, natural products are changed into other forms. We have got the natural products from primary sector. Now those products, the products that we have got from primary sector are changed into other forms. Okay, through ways of manufacturing. How? The manufacturing is the key factor of secondary sector. Manufacturing must be there. Okay, so through ways of manufacturing that we associate with industry. Okay, you will have to learn it by heart. This definition you will have to learn it by heart. Let me give you example. Now you see that wheat is produced. Wheat is a natural product. Okay, but primary product. We have got it from the primary sector. Okay, now wheat is turned into flour. Okay, and flour also into fly into bread. Okay, so you see that wheat is turned into flour and flour is again turned into bread. Through ways of manufacturing, we have to manufacture it. Sugarcane is turned into sugar. A sugar plant is there. Okay, you see. So this is the definition of secondary sector. Learn it. Last one is tertiary sector. Third is tertiary sector. Tertiary sector. Yes, tertiary sector covers activities by which we do not produce goods. We do not produce goods but generate services. Tertiary sector covers activities by which we do not produce goods. We do not produce goods. By which we do not produce goods. We do not produce goods but generate services. Generate services. Okay? Generate services. Yes. That is here production of goods is not there. Primary sector, production of goods by using natural resources. Secondary sector, natural products are changed into other forms by manufacturing. So all these are production of goods. But tertiary sector does not produce goods but generate services. We do not produce goods but generate services. For example, you see now wheat is carried into flour mill or bakery. Okay, for making bread. Okay, now it is carried in, that is transport belongs to tertiary sector. Let me explain it through examples. I will give you the 3 examples of 3 sectors. All right.